Okay, well, this is just a test to see if this can still be done this way, as I know YouTube has changed or added a second way, really, of doing live streaming broadcasts. It looks more complex, that you actually need, it might be better in some ways, but it's more complicated. And it might be easier, really, to do multiple sources of audio with the new system, the new way of doing it. And yeah, I mean, I'd like to try eventually, but not right now, because it entails downloading software and coding software, and there is open source, something called Open Source Broadcaster that you can use that allows you to do the encoding. And I think in this way will also, as an extra benefit, in other words, will also allow you to more easily set up secondary and multiple sources of audio. So for instance, it will be easier, rather than having, as I had done it one time before as a test, I had used sort of like a Tascam device as the input, which allowed me to play from the Tascam device music or other audio other than just the microphone. And I think using the encoding software will make it easier to do that once I learn how to do that. Maybe if I set that up eventually and learn how, then I will attempt to do this and make a video just to, as there are many videos on the web already. Many of them are quite complex, though. Mine would have to be very simple and just show you the very basic way to get up and running and use more than one source for audio or video, really. In this case, I'm just using, obviously, audio anyway. So in other words, instead of having to have an extra, an outside source, an outside device like a Tascam that you connect to your computer and use for mixing different sources of audio, this can be done now through the software. But it does look rather complicated. All right, this was just a test.